morning. We are on our way down to New Braunfels to have breakfast with Heather and pick up the dogs. We just got back from Indy last night, and the dogs have been here at doggy daycare. And once we get home today, I have a long list of things that we need to get done. I need to take the cover off the nostalgia car and wipe it down because Dad is going to start teaching me about driving it, and so we need to take the body off and get it out so that it's ready for Dad to start doing that. I need to finish a video that I'm filming. I need to ship a few shirts to my friends. We're gonna replace the power steering pump in my truck, and yeah, that's basically what we've got going on today. First, we've got to have breakfast and pick up the dogs.
I get to figure out how to finish some wheels and make some money and pay for all this crap.
Minor detail. Our dogs are psycho. Send help. I miss Lucy. She's adorable. We're going to head to get lunch. We're gonna have Chick-fil-A for lunch, and we've also got to stop at UPS or USPS or something because we've got a pile of shirts that we've got to ship to my friends.
We're in my car now. It's time to have some fun.
That's scary.
You might want to hold on to that thing.
God, I'm scared.
No, like hold on to it, because we're gonna do some stuff.
I'm gonna die. Whoa!
That's how you drive, okay? And then I'm gonna back up slow and go in the fit. No, you 180 that thing.
I might die this trip.
Can we screech it? No, barely. Organize the wrench box.
What's up, FedEx? We got everything dropped off here at FedEx. Ryan, Colby, Tyler, and Brody, keep an eye out for your shirts in the next few days.
Yeah, what about my Faja? Because I shipped him one too.
And Max's dad. If you saw yesterday's video, you saw that we filmed a really awesome, epic montage with my truck. But then we started getting the low coolant notification. After that, we kept going until the temps started skyrocketing. And so I put some coolant in, or some water in it to cool it off before I move it over into the race car shop to take the power steering pump off of it. Because today we are going to work on replacing that. Now we ask the question for a second day in a row. Will it start? Let's go. She started. Alright. Now let me just get my e-brake. E-brake released. Alright. Let's move. Okay, put the propane brake down, pop the hood, and we'll get to removing this bad power steering pump. Well, the power steering pump is off, and I would say we have found our problem. The pulley isn't supposed to come off like this. If you look at it, the shaft is sheared off, which is why I have no power steering anymore. I mean, yeah, so we're gonna go get a new power steering pump from O'Reilly's or Jegs, or not Jegs, Advanced Auto Parts or Parts Plus or whatever, and we'll be able to put it back in and replace it. We just got a new pump from Concho Supply. Big thank you to these guys for helping me out getting a pump and everything. They're all over Central Texas, so big thank you to Keith and all of these guys here. Start her up. Moment of truth. Hey-o! Wait.
Go back all the way to the right.
Alright, close the hood. I'm going for a ride. Hang on, I need to disable my brake. Oh, you can't see it. There's a Muppet in the back of the bed. So nice having, come on bro. It's really hard to talk when my camera keeps falling off. Stay. It's really nice having power steering. It's really nice having power steering again. Makes all of driving this thing so much easier. Alright, I'm gonna pull it over here, park it, and put my tools away so that I don't leave a mess. I have power steering again. Let's go.
All right, so this is my car. It's kind of a beater, and yeah, like most of the time, you know, the average American just throw the old McDonald's styrofoam container on the passenger side floor and starts to stink a little bit. You get yourself some Ozium, all right? This is some potent stuff. Get yourself some tape. You want to run the AC on the recirculate, you know, so the air comes through the cab and through the filter and all that. So you take your Ozium, take your tape, and you make yourself a little Ozium grenade here. All right? Go like that. Make sure you want to point the nozzle in the car. Now make sure you don't have no milkshakes or any types of drinks you're drinking. You know what I mean? It's gonna taste gross. Like, we just wanna brush yourself. Do some tape here. Hold that sucker down. Make sure all the windows are up. All right. Make sure your door's unlocked too. All right. There you go.
We brought the dogs to the lake real quick, and there's a really pretty sunset. Hi, Meatball. Dad and I went to the Texas Roadhouse for dinner, and then we spent a little bit driving around the parking lot in my truck, him teaching me some of the basics of driving the Nostalgia Funny car, which I'm going to be hopping into in a few months, which was pretty cool. So that's going to be a wrap on today's video. Again, a huge thank you to the guys at Concho Supply. Those guys helped me out today with my power steering pump, which was much appreciated. And if you're ever in the Central Texas area and need car parts, make sure you go to them. They are awesome. That's it for this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.